Hello, ladies. It looks as if we are having some issues with our WP forms communicating with certain email providers. So if you are having that issue, there's a couple things you can do. So I'm going to walk you through this page here that shows how to go into your email settings and allow communication between WP forms and your email so that hopefully if you're getting confirmation or registration emails, they're not going to your spam or your junk folder, okay? So this won't necessarily help our parents in avoiding this issue, but at least we'll be getting the communication. So I'm going to go through these kind of quickly. So if you have one specific to your email and I go too quickly, just reach out and I'll send you a link to this page so you can walk yourself through it. But basically, it's this is going to show us Gmail, Yahoo, Apple Mail. I don't know if anybody has used that. Microsoft Outlook, and then Outlook.com or Office 365. So it's basically just going into your email settings and allowing your email to communicate with WP Forms so that WP Forms email communication isn't just getting either rejected or dumped into your spam, because most email providers have security systems in place to keep us from getting too much spam and junk. And so sometimes sites like WP Forms looks like spam or junk to our email provider. And so they just automatically either reject it or send it to our spam. Okay. So, but there's something we can do if we go into our settings. So let me walk you down here. So the first one is Gmail. So in your inbox, find an email if you have one from WP Forms. If you don't have one, then I think there's a way you can just go in and fix it. But if you do have one, you can just go in and simply drag the email to your primary tab. So on Gmail, you've got your primary, your social, and then your promotional tab. So a lot of times these might be getting dumped over here into promotions or social. So you would just go to that email from WP Forms and drag it over to your primary folder. Okay, that's the easiest way. The other thing you can do is, let's see, they don't show specifically how to do this. So if you have Gmail and you're having trouble, reach out to me separate from this and I'll walk you through how to do that, because there's another way you can go into your Gmail, but without going to that screen, it's kind of hard to explain it from here. So let me go on to Yahoo. Yahoo, again, you're going to hover over the sender's email. So if you have an email from WP Forms, you're just going to hover over it, and then you'll see this little drop down where it says Add to Contacts. You're going to click on that Add to Contacts, and it'll add WP Forms to your contacts so that it's not kicking those back to either WP Forms or to your junk. Okay, so that one's pretty easy. Apple, Mac, Mail, I am not familiar with this one at all. So let's look. If you're on a Mac, it says open up Mail and look to the top left of your screen. So you've got this little Mail drop down. So you're going to click on that. You'll get to your preferences, this one, and then you'll click on that drop down. And then from the icons along the top, you're going to click on this little envelope that says rules. Okay. And then you'll say add a rule button right here. And then you're going to, in your description, it'll drop down a little description. You're going to type any description. So you could just put, you could type from contains support at WP, or you could just put WPForms.com. Okay. And then you're going to move that to your inbox. So basically, you're wanting it to know that it's okay for it to communicate with WPForms.com. Okay. So you're just going to type at WPForms.com in the from contains. This is a little bit better picture here. And then click on OK, and it will save that. So then anytime you get something from WP Forms, it's not going to reject it. Outlook, I think there's several of us that use this one. So if you're using Outlook, these are the instructions to help you whitelist. So basically to allow these emails. So from your Home tab, click on your Junk drop down. Then from there, you're going to click Junk Email Options. Okay, so here's Junk Email Options down here. Then you'll see a window open up. Click on the second tab labeled Safe Senders right here. So Safe Senders. Now you're going to add at wpforms.com. Make sure you put the @ symbol and then click OK. Okay, so that's for that Outlook, this one. Then Outlook.com. Oh, here's Hotmail. Okay, good. This is the one that's been giving us the most trouble, I think. So log into your Microsoft, click on the little 9 dots here. Click on Outlook to open up your email. After logging to your account, click on the gear icon and search for Safe Senders and Domains. Here, let's see. Then again, you're going to put wpforms.com into this little where it says add. And then you're going to click on Save. Okay, so according to WP Forms, that's how we can hopefully remedy this issue of not receiving our confirmation or registration emails. So hopefully that helps. If not, then let me know and we'll do a little more investigating, but hopefully that helps. All right, thanks.